Welcome, young scientists, to our fun and fabulous science lab. Today we have some amazing experiments lined up that you can do right at home or in your classroom. First up, the legendary fizzy volcano. Did you know you can create a volcano that erupts using things from your kitchen? Here's what you'll need: a small plastic cup, baking soda, vinegar, and a little food coloring. First, place the cup on a tray to catch any overflow. Fill it halfway with vinegar and add a drop of food coloring to make it look like real lava. Now, the magic happens. Put a spoonful of baking soda into the cup and watch it fizz and foam just like a real volcano. But wait, how does this happen? It's a chemical reaction. The vinegar is an acid, and baking soda is a base, and when they mix, they create carbon dioxide gas, which makes all the bubbles. Next, we're off to the sea with a floating egg. How can an egg float in water that normally doesn't? Take 2 glasses and fill them with water. In one glass, stir in lots of salt until it can't dissolve anymore. Now, gently place an egg in each glass. In the plain water, the egg sinks since it's heavier than the water. In the salty water, the egg floats. That's because salt water is denser, giving the egg a helping hand to stay afloat. Cool, isn't it? Now, let's explore some magical colors melting together. For this colorful milk experiment, pour some milk into a shallow dish. Add drops of different food colors around the edges. Dip a cotton swab into dish soap and gently touch it to the colors. Watch the colors swirl and dance, creating a beautiful marble effect. This happens because the soap breaks the surface tension of the milk and mixes the colors in a fun, vibrant way. Our final experiment is a race with the force that keeps our feet on the ground, gravity. Create a simple ramp with a book and some smooth card. Roll different objects down the ramp one at a time, a toy car, a marble, a ball, and see which goes fastest or farthest. Listen closely, we have a fun fact. Objects of the same shape will fall at the same speed if they're only affected by gravity. Isaac Newton first showed us that. And there you have it, wonderful experiments that blend science with creativity and fun. Each experiment is a window to understanding the world around us. Try them yourself and be amazed by the wonder of science. Remember, science is like magic but real. Each answer leads to more questions and discoveries. Keep exploring, little scientists.